Hi everyone, welcome. Look what I got. Yes, this is a lather test video. This is not clickbait. But I got this in the mail just before I was getting ready to do the video, and I had to share this with you. My lovely subscriber Kenya sent me a rainbow of spatulas today, and they are fantastic. I could not be more pleased. They're just as pretty as they can be, and boy, am I going to be able to put these to use. I love the shape of them. I was looking, and they actually fit right down into the very corners for scraping. They have a rounded side for getting into those very tight spaces. These are fantastic. So Kenya, thank you so very much. And she sent me another very personal gift, and I will talk to her about that in an email. But this I wanted to share with you all. This just meant the world to me. So big hugs and kisses, Kenya. Thank you. I will put these to good use. Okay, so now on to that lather test that I promised. The Woods. Sure enjoyed making this one. Okay. That reddish color comes from that red reef clay. This feels wonderful. Very cleansing. But again, that red reef clay gives you kind of that reddish foam. You see that? So if you're a soap maker and you're using this soap, this is one of those that you do want to use. I strongly suggest using it, but use it in small quantities as I have here. So it may give you a little red water, but you don't have to worry about it staining your towels or anything else. Use too much and you can end up with stains on your cloth, and we don't want to be selling products to people that stains their washcloths or towels. Okay. Right. And finally, the obsidian. I loved making that soap. And they all smell tremendous. All right. So in all three of these, I've only used 1 pitcher of water. This is a little over about 1.5 quarts. So I tried to do this and waste as little as possible, and yet still give you a decent demonstration. All right, there we go. Very nice. Very creamy, feels fantastic. And the smell, I just love these scents. I am a fan of essential oils and fragrances. By the way, I want to be very clear about something. I am not anti-fragrance oils, and I'm not anti-mica. I think they're wonderful products and love the art that people create with them. The reason why I don't use fragrance oils is because I personally was allergic to them for years. Now I realize now that they have removed the phthalates and some of the other chemicals from them, but they still contain some items in them that cause me a reaction. Not all of them, but enough of them where I just don't use them. And even with essential oils, you want to take care. Too much essential oil can cause an equal reaction, even a more serious reaction, or even a burn, or some other kind of chemical reaction. So just because it is an essential oil doesn't mean that it's necessarily safe. In the wrong hands, essential oils can be quite poisonous and dangerous. So always read the guidelines. Read how much you're supposed to use. If you don't understand percentages, reach out to me or another soaper. If something says 3% of your total don't make it 30%. And I know of a soaper who did that. So you want to be very careful. 3%. Use your calculator. Don't feel bad about using a calculator. If you're still confused, ask for help. You can send private messages to me or other soapers, and we're happy to help you in any way we can. All right. Listen, I've pontificated enough. I'm doing that a lot today. But I do appreciate you all so much. And again, a great big old thank you to Kenya for these wonderful spatulas. I'm going to have a lot of fun with these, and they're really going to be helpful. So thanks again. Have a great day, everyone. Goodbye.
Say hi, Amy. Amy. Say hi. All right. Barry, you're so stupid. You are not a smart dog.